I'm sure you're excited to get going with your whitening, so let's go through the kit. There will be a LED light, which you will plug into a phone or a computer for power, 3 whitening pens to get you going, a shade guide that you will use before and after, and finally a step-by-step instruction page. Before you whiten, make sure you use the included shade guide in front of a mirror and see what your current shade is. Next, remove the light from the storage container. You will see 3 different adapters at the end of the light, the first being a USB. If you have an Android, you have to slide out that adapter using your fingernail or a pen by pressing on the blue clip. Finally, for the iPhone, just attach the lightning adapter on, and voila, you have light. Now you are ready to apply the whitening gel. Just turn the end of the pen until the gel comes out of the brush and paint it on your teeth. Once you've painted all your teeth with the gel, now you can place the light into your mouth and attach the power cord to either a phone or a computer. Don't forget to snap a selfie.